Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. In this video, we are going to solve question number 4 from chapter HERONS formula, exercise 12.1, class 9th NCERT. Let's read the question. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimeter. As we know, perimeter is sum of all sides. Now let us consider this as 18 centimeter, this as 10 centimeter. Then we don't know which is the third side, but we are given perimeter of the triangle, and as perimeter is the sum of all sides, तो जो भी पेरीमीटर है उसमें से हम 18 सेंटीमीटर और 10 सेंटीमीटर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो वी विल गेट द मेजर ऑफ द थर्ड साइड, एंड इन दिस वे वी आर गोइंग टू हैव मेजर ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, राइट? सो हियर इज द हिंट फॉर यू. Hint is, here I am giving you the hint. Hint is, now in this manner find the third side and then after that use HERONS formula. Use HERONS formula to find the area of the triangle. Now that's very simple one, right? Let's now actually solve this. So what is given is, we'll consider the two sides of the triangle. Suppose let me consider A as 18 centimeter, B as 10 centimeter, right? Let me call P as the perimeter. It is given as 42 centimeters. Now let me see that C is the third side of the triangle, and therefore the C will be equals to perimeter minus 18 plus 10. Now perimeter is 42. 42 minus 28, which is equals to 14 centimeter. And now I have the third side and it is equals to 14 centimeters. Now this is the third side. And now we have all the sides of the triangle. So we'll use HERONS formula. Now for that we'll need semi-perimeter. So let S be the semi-perimeter. It is perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter is given as 42. So it will be 42 divided by 2 equals to 21 centimeters. Right? Now let's recall what is the formula of HERONS formula. Area of the triangle when we are using HERONS formula will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let's substitute the values of all these variables. How much is the perimeter? It is 21, right? Now 21 minus A. How much is A? It is 18. So this will be 21 minus 18. Now that will, next will be 21 minus 10, and last will be 21 minus 14, right? Okay, let's simplify it further. Let me write this 21 as it is. 21 minus 18 will be 3. So this is 21 into 3. 21 minus 10 will be equals to 11. So this is 11. 21 minus 14 will be equals to 7. Let's again simplify this. 21 is nothing but 7 into 3. We already have 3 here, into 11 into 7. So let's now observe carefully. This is 7, this is 7. So we have a pair of 7 inside the root. So the 7 comes out. Similarly, this is 3 into 3. That becomes 9. So 3 comes out of the root, right? And now what is left is root 11. So into root 11. So we'll have the answer as 21 root 11. Now the measures of the sides of the triangle is given in terms of centimeter. So obviously the area of the triangle will be in terms of centimeter square. Well, I hope students you have very well understood this question. हमें ट्रायंगल की दो साइड दी थी, पेरीमीटर भी दिया था, तो हमने यूजिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन हमने थर्ड साइड फाइंड आउट किया. कैसे किया? हमने पेरीमीटर में से दोनों साइड्स के सम को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. अब तीनों साइड्स मिल गई हैं, बहुत आसानी से हमने HERONS formula use कर लिया और आंसर निकाल लिया. Well students, if you have liked this video and you want solutions of the entire exercise, then log on to www.eganeet.com or download our app Eganeet from Google Play Stores. Thank you.